it takes a lot of equipment and things to work smarter, not harder here as we get older, right?
Yes, and we're always 100 miles an hour.
Yeah.
We like to have newer stuff because I don't have time to work on stuff, right?
Right.
So the company Landtop has
reached out to us right when we needed this
yes
cool attachment.
and
The timing was perfect.
they sell all sorts of implements for Skidsteers,
Which is your favorite machine.
which is the only one. But look at that. So they sent us this pallet fork with the one implement we need and we don't have. But before I put it together with the forks on it, what I'd like to show is if we wouldn't have already bought a hay spike, which is right there.
Yeah.
See where the two things go in?
Mm-hmm.
The forks?
Yeah.
This does that too.
Oh, wow.
So this is a universal
Oh, wow.
plate. You could also put a bar in here for like a hitch implement for moving stuff around.
Like, well, Jason has one on his tractor. That kind of hitch?
Yep.
Okay.
So
Oh, cool.
anyway, here's the plate. It's universal with the skid steer.
Okay.
And I'm going to put these forks on real quick. Hopefully real quick. Is the plan. Okay, good. Okay, so these buzzers are heavy. Heavy duty. When they asked which one I wanted, I like, give me the heavy duty.
Yeah, no joke. We're hard on stuff here. We need as heavy duty as they come. And then sometimes it's still not enough. And y'all, we look like ragamuffins today because we've been working and we had some hydraulic fluid spray on us. We didn't really want to go put clean clothes on.
So you go to the middle. There's a groove there in the middle.
Okay. And then you slide it over where you want it.
And you slide it where you need it. Like so.
And it comes with a fun box that preschoolers like to destroy. Oh, is Bendy's ball in the hole? Oh, goodness.
Well, how did that happen?
Huh. She'll get it. Anything to get her
I'm
ball.
going to put this one on.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go try to get those two coats over there.
Okay.
If you'll run the gate for me.
You betcha.
And then
That's what I do best.
You're good at getting gates.
Yeah.
Then, I don't know. We might get the rest of that stuff. We'll see.
Relocate our junk.
Yeah.
To a less visible area.
Which is exactly what we need a pallet for.
I know. I'm excited. Never thought I'd get to the point in my life where I'm excited about farm implements.
Okay.
Oh man, that's so much easier than having to lift them or trying to get it to balance on the hay forks. Wow, this fencing stuff, way easier to move with the pallet forks. We usually just use the hay fork and it teeters around. Look out, Ginger. Come to the playground, Ginger. Oh, Ginger. Watch out. She step on your toes. It'll hurt. You better put your boots on if you go up close to her. Okay, this is what I'm really excited about seeing get moved. I had to help Flint unload those off the trailer because the forks, it wouldn't work. Don't jump on my head. So that is awesome.
I was tapping on the head of my foot. Yeah, Mama. I'm gonna move, Mama.
That is going to be so awesome too. Those are the stretch braces that we need to start Mimu's enclosure. Every day I look out here at the green and I'm just like, yes, this looks so great. Got kind of windy all of a sudden.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm pretty windy. So it worked.
Yeah, we moved some junk around, or you moved junk around.
They're pretty easy to move back and forth. You lift this up and then you move it to the next screw and then it pops and locks in place. As I mentioned, you could take them out, put your hay spikes in. There's 3 places for hay spears. Place for a hitch. Pretty universal.
Would you recommend it?
I'm recommending it.
Landtop.
Landtop, we got a link in the description.
Okay.
Thank you, Landtop.